This video will show how to give an intramuscular injection safely, whether you're giving the shot to yourself or to someone else. An intramuscular or IM injection delivers medicine into a muscle so it can be absorbed quickly and effectively. Begin by gathering everything you'll need: the prescribed medicine, a new syringe and needle, an alcohol wipe, and a sharps disposal container. Check that the medicine is the right type and dose and that it hasn't expired. Then, wash your hands with soap and water. Common injection sites include the thigh, hip, or upper arm. Your healthcare provider can tell you which site is best for your medicine. If you're giving the injection to another person, make sure they're comfortable and the muscle is relaxed. If you're giving it to yourself, the thigh is often easiest to reach. Avoid any areas that are bruised, scarred, or swollen, and rotate injection sites each time. Clean the skin with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Hold the syringe like a dart and insert the needle straight into the muscle at a 90-degree angle. Push the plunger slowly to inject the medicine, then remove the needle at the same angle. Apply gentle pressure with gauze if needed. Place the used needle and syringe directly into a sharps container, never in household trash. If you notice pain, redness, or swelling that doesn't go away, contact your healthcare provider. For detailed written instructions and safety tips, visit Drugs.com. Always follow your healthcare provider's directions when giving any injection. This material is provided for educational purposes only and is not intended for medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with your healthcare provider.